Hello everyone, actually this is 1 a.m. in night and I came to my hometown. My parents are sleeping and I am not getting sleep because I am not habitual of sleeping so early. And I will be speaking very slowly, but because I have to upload this video, it's really very important video. And this is so cold here in this area. At least in Banaras city it is somewhat okay, but here it is really very cold. So see, because December is running and I think today is 5th or 6th December, right? So actually what you are going to do in Jan month, you have to plan now itself. So first main point what I am going to discuss here, that point is very simple. In Jan month you are not going to learn anything new. You are not going to note down anything new on your notebook, because whatever you will learn anything new in Jan month, that part you will not be able to recall in your GATE exam. Definitely that content will be on your notebook, and maybe there is chance that because of enough hard work that content will come on your fingertips. But GATE exam is not like a university exam, so that whatever you are learning that you are going to apply in the question directly. No, it requires enough amount of practice using assignments or test series or somehow. So what is the last advice? Again, videos will be there, but for the Jan month, advice content is very clear. You don't study anything new in Jan month. Okay, there can be some sound here, some noisy sound here. So anything new you are not going to study in Jan month. One thing is very clear. What are you going to do in December month itself? You have to wrap up all your studies. You have to close all the books. You have to close all your new sources, all your old sources, whatever you are following. But you have to focus on your notebooks. Whatever content you have tick cross, everything. So means what? In Jan month you should not consider as a month to do preparation. Jan month you should consider for that content whatever you have gone through already. It means your notebook. You will be flipping all the pages. Okay, you will be getting like, okay, this formula is ready, that formula is ready, this form. And believe me, one more thing, mostly what happens under top 500 rank, almost students are ready with formulas. I am making this video only for GATE aerospace aspirants. This my video I never make for any other departments, so my advice is not at all related for any other department. So if you are watching this video, you are attempting mechanical exam or XC or something else, so my advice may be relatable, but strictly you should not watch my video if you are applying for mechanical or XC or something. This is pure aerospace, because I have qualified GATE aerospace 6 times. Recently, before 2-3 days, someone was texting me on my YouTube video that you have qualified more than this, that, and proof and all, master degree from which IIT or what is your marks and all. So those things, my marks you should know first. That marks and rank I don't appreciate, because I am still not in top 10. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Why are you watching my video? Only one thing. My videos are adding value in your life for your GATE aerospace preparation. Once your GATE preparation is done, that's all, job over. Once you are into IIT, my job is over. Because to qualify GATE exam, you don't need any master degree. You don't need a teacher who has master degree. You need someone who has done a very good job in UG level, whose concepts are completely clear. You are watching my videos to learn things. You are not watching my videos kind of because otherwise every year you have first to 10 rankers, top 10 rankers we have every year, and I appreciate them. Someone has to be really good in delivering the concept. You know something very good. Can you make someone to go to IIT? No. If you can't, this is the difference I create here. I can make someone to go to IIT. I have sent so many students in IIT. They are sitting into IIT. They are pursuing their master degree and PhD. MTech, MS, both I am talking. My job is to guide you on YouTube. I have chosen my career. I have chosen academics. So we are not same, bro. My job is really different. what you are expecting, I will not flow in that way. I hope I am being clear from my side. If you want to join my coaching, I will be working hard with you more than you will work hard. Get my logic? I will be working with you like a GATE Aerospace fresh aspirant. You will be asking me your doubts, and I will be teaching you more than a teacher, like a senior, like a friend, like your brother, like your sister, in that way. Like how, like everything from basic. I am talking this for aero students and non-aero students both. Anyway, leave this everything side. Many people are coming and they are commenting blah blah negative things on my YouTube. I don't delete those chats. Why? Because you comment positive or negative, that helps my video to be in ranking. And meanwhile, when my haters are doing this, they forget this algorithm that YouTube will make that video into the trend. So if you are hating me, you are wasting your time, because if you will comment on my video, really my video will bump up. Are you getting? At the same time, if you are liking me, if you are my well-wisher, if you are supporting me, then definitely if my video will come up, you will feel better. Anyway, so in December month, you complete your file, you manage all your setup, whatever you are completing from last few months. What is your final job here? December last date should be your final date. After that, you don't have to learn anything. Believe me, man, if you will learn anything new, because see, anyway, our preparation got over. I mean, I'm talking about my 1 year regular batch program, what I used to run every year for 1 year. That program got over in October month itself. After that, crash course got over. Now, whatever time is remaining, in that time, what my students are doing, you understand that first. In my students, I have 3 categories. One student who followed me properly from day 1 till now. So they completed their subjects. Okay. Now what are they doing? They are solving topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise test series. What is their job now? In Jan month till now, they are right now they are solving these type of test series from me, and they are asking doubts of the test series. Now, how do I explain their doubts? I explain their doubts on my personal call. Okay, like because every students are having now because of GATE schedule and all their self preparation and all, so they used to ask their separate doubts. Next, what will they do in Jan month? So in Jan month, all my students, they will be solving full length test series. Full length test series means 3 hour 65 questions, exactly similar to the main GATE exam. So on my website, that portal is there. And one more thing, if you guys are going to my website and registering yourself, that will not work. You will not be having access. Things will work if you will directly contact me on WhatsApp first. We'll be having some chit chat on WhatsApp. After that, call. After that, I will make sure who is the person. Then only I will activate your profile on my website. Otherwise, it will show error. Get my logic? Because aerospace aspirants are very, very less. That's why I used to talk to every single person. And I used to talk in detail. It's not like just 2 minutes, 3 minutes and this, that, yes, hello, hi, okay, fine, bye. No, it's not like that. I used to take the proper slot for timing for the call and all. First we'll go through the chat. After chat, you guys will come to the WhatsApp chat, and after that you guys will come to the call, and on call we used to discuss admission process, what are the things and all. And anyway, so in Jan month, you are keep this in mind. In Jan month, you are not going to learn anything new. If you will do so, that you are going to learn new things. Okay, one more thing. There are some categories. Under that categories, I'm not talking about the caste wise categories, not OBC or regional or something. Like one type of students, they used to start their preparation very late, like after October. So this video is not for them. Anyway, guidance and module is same. Same amount they are going to prepare. Same pattern they are going to follow. If you want to reach from point A to point B, same path they are going to follow. But the point is, they are in risk because they know time is very less. So in less time, GATE exam you can't qualify with Josh. No, GATE exam you will qualify with knowledge. If you have knowledge but you don't have Josh, you can qualify GATE exam. But if you have Josh, you are willing to study things but you don't have knowledge, you can never qualify GATE exam. GATE exam is not to judge how cool you are, how hot you are, how sexy you are. No, GATE exam is how better you know the concept and what kind of ability you have to apply your concept in the question. GATE exam questions are clearly not like a university level questions. So again, if you like, because see, very clear line I have told you in the beginning itself, whatever you will study in Jan month, that you are not going to recall in your exam, I mean in your GATE exam. Definitely whatever you will study, that will help you next year. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.